In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom keyboard shortcuts in AutoCAD. By the end, you will know exactly how to assign your own hotkeys so your favorite commands are just a quick key press away. Start by opening the Customize User Interface, often called the CUI, in the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Type CUI and press Enter. This opens the CUI editor, where all your interface settings live. It might look busy at first, but we're only using a few specific areas. On the left, in the pane labeled Customizations in all files, look for the Keyboard Shortcuts node. Click the small arrow to expand it, then expand Shortcut Keys. This is where AutoCAD stores the current keyboard mappings, and it's where you'll place any new shortcuts you create. Now turn your attention to the command list at the bottom of the CUI editor. This is a searchable list of all available commands. In the search box, type the name of the command you want to assign to a shortcut. Like line. Give it a second to filter. When you see the command you want, confirm it's the standard version you intend to use. Click and drag that command from the command list up into the shortcut keys area you expanded earlier on the left. When you release the mouse, you'll see a new entry appear under Shortcut Keys. You've just told AutoCAD, I want to associate a key combination with this command. With that new entry selected, look to the right side of the window for the Properties pane. Find the Keys field, then click inside it. A small button with 3 dots appears. Click that to open the key combination picker. Now, press the key combination you want to use, such as a combination with Ctrl, Shift, or Alt. Aim for something memorable that doesn't override a shortcut you already rely on. If your chosen keys are already in use, AutoCAD will indicate a conflict, so you can try a different combination. When it looks good, confirm your choice in the dialog. Back in the CUI editor, click Apply to commit the change, and then click OK to close the window. Your shortcut is now saved and ready to use. If you ever want to adjust or remove it later, return to the same place in the CUI and make your changes. That's the complete process. Thanks for watching.